Good morning, guys. It's kind of dark. Hold on, let me see if I can cut some light on. It's dark out here. I'm on my way to work, but I want you to come with me to drop off this Poplin order that I picked up yesterday. A new gentleman that I never had before. So we're going to go ahead and drop off this laundry.
What you are about to witness now are the steps in completing a Poplin delivery order. Welcome to the team. To anyone that wants to come on board, again, welcome.